All right, here is the Zentangle that I did with you in class last time. And the first thing that I would like you to do is open it up and get it on your desktop. Hopefully it is finished and you're fairly happy with it. And we are going to do some changes to that using filters if you've never used a filter before, and using image adjust, and make about 5 or 6 things in 10 minutes so that you get used to those things that are available here. So let's see if I can pull Photoshop menu down a little bit here. Right here at the top under filter, and this is about where it is, it's not showing up in my video very well, you can go to filter gallery, and our idea was to do some things with lines. So you can try some different things with lines and textures like we did. This is all the different things that are available. That one has lines. Here's some things with more lines. You can see different lines coming across, accent edges or strokes or crosshatch, or add ink outlines. I think I'll try that one. And I'm going to click OK. And it may or may not really change my edges. That one didn't seem to do an awful lot. And then we're going to add a color change as well, and that's under image to adjust. And this time we're going to we'll try that again. Image adjust, and go down and do a gradient map on it. That will really change the color. That one that is showing up is gray, but if you click this arrow, you can make it be any of these fun gradient colors. So mine was black. Some of you have colored ones. You'll just have to choose one that you think looks really cool. And so now you can see the ink outlines that was on the filter gallery and the gradients. If it is a little bit more dark of a gradient map color than you want, then if you go back up here to edit and fade the gradient map, you can in real time let it go lighter or darker, and you can it doesn't have to be quite as bright of a gradient as you chose the first time. You may even try some of these things under mode and see if you like it or don't like it any better. Here's like vivid light, which turned it more black. There's difference, which is going to turn it kind of the opposite. I kind of like that one. And so click OK on that. And we're going to just save it as and call it something else. That I already have 6 done, so I'll call this bird number 7. And I want you to do at least 4 or 5 different filters. 7. And you also then can try any of the things under image and adjust for each of the filters. Like you could try poster eyes, which looks like that, or you could try equalize, image adjust, equalize, which made it, pretty bright. And then as you change any of those things too, I would like you to change the color under each one and make it a little bit different color so you have a set here. And that's going to be hue or saturation. So, look at the red. I like the red. And you can either saturate it, make it really, really saturated, or desaturated. And for each thing you do, then you have a new one to save. Save as. This one would be my 8th bird. Whoops, I want it to be 78. And save. And that is a really quick thing to do. When you are then finished with all of your birds, including the first one, then we're going to open them back up, and we're going to go then and change the size so that it's for web. So put image size, and again our resolution will be 72 instead of 300, and then change that to less than 10. I'm going to make them all 9. Got to lock it so they change it at the same time. 9. And then we'll export. Whoops. File, export. Save for web. Click. It's JPEG. High is 494K. I bet that I accidentally changed the size back. Image size. Yep. 72. 9 by 8. Okay. File, export. I knew that by how big it was. Export, save for web. And now it's 107K at high. So I'll probably go maybe medium. I don't want it to be too blurry. 70K is better. And save. And don't forget to put a W with each one that you do. So W bird. And I know that he's my web bird, and then I also have a print bird because we're going to put them all together in a poster and print them. So do that to each one. That was bird, and he's done. And when you close it, then do not save. Do not save. So again, image to image size, make it 72. Gonna make them all the same and make them 9. And click OK. And file, export, save for web. It's pretty similar. Put my W in front of bird 8. And then close that one and open another one. Don't save. All right, have fun.